Welcome to my channel. Sit back and enjoy.
No snack.
Okay. Came back for a little taste test. All dressed. Have not seen these by Ruffles. All dressed. It says #1. All dressed. #1 flavor chip in Canada.
Hi, everybody, to me.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody, to me.
Oh.
But,
Hi, everybody, to me.
and then I got this. It smells like vinegar. Maybe it's barbecue, like Memphis. Ain't that the one that uses vinegar in their barbecue?
Might be.
Remember, that's what Good Mythical said?
I think so. Definitely has a vinegary smell.
It smells like vinegar. I'm going to taste it. I haven't tasted, like I opened it and I said, well, let me do a taste test.
Whoa,
Taste
look at
it.
that. I played
Definitely got a little, a vinegar twang. I literally had the eye draw. It's a little twangy. What do you think, Tut?
It definitely has a twang. I can't put my finger on what the twang is. I mean, it's obvious vinegar.
It tastes like vinegar.
And if it's a barbecue, it's very super light barbecue. It don't hardly have any barbecue flavor to it at all. I have to try more before I can give it a full decision. But as of right now, I don't think I'd buy it again. But I have to try more to see.
I probably would, but it'd be more for like if I was at a cookout. These would be good if they made them in little tiny bags, like the bags that we got at Sam's. Like we was at a cookout with like a hamburger or a hot dog, and if somebody don't like relish, or if they like relish, you just didn't want any on the hot dog. Eat these chips alongside the hot dog. You know what, Gary? Today is Thursday. The half price, what was it, hot dogs or hamburgers?
Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers at Sonic. Totally forgot. You know what? I'm fat. I be on them deals if I like the food. Or if I support the restaurant. I'm just saying. But these I will buy if they came in a smaller bag. Because they're so... And this is like literally one chip. I have not had more than one. And it's already... These is like if you want a snack but you don't want to go overboard. Eat probably about 2 or 3 of these and you will have your fill of a snack. So it's good in that aspect that I don't think you will overeat. Get out the water! No. Get out of the water!
Now, girls.
They're back there using the potty. But then they like to go back there and also mess in the sink. In the water. Hannah? Vanna?
Out of there.
But anyways. Stop pouring stuff in the toilet. Yeah, well you ain't supposed to be back there anyways.
I washed my hands.
You're supposed to be eating food.
I washed my hands.
Well, why'd you wash your hands?
I ate it all.
You could have had a wipe and wiped your hands. Well, you can't get filmed. Your dust is showing.
No.
Hi. And I forgot to do these. Haven't seen these either. Ruffles.
Like sandpaper.
Loaded bacon cheddar chip. Sorry. They look good.
I try it.
Okay, you try it. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay, we're back. This is what they look like. Okay, you show them? Yep, you show them your chip.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, got one. I didn't got one too. I mixed them.
Hold on, Van.
That's pretty good.
Is it pretty good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it Hannah approved?
I got my shoes on. I got my shoes on.
Yep, you got your shoes on. We're talking about the chip. Do you like the chip?
Yes.
Do you think everybody should eat the chip?
That's basic. Pretty good.
It's pretty good. Thank you. From the mouth of babies. They are good.
Good.
I would not buy these over any because to me they taste like the loaded. Well, it tastes like the loaded loaded baked potato Pringles, and I think they might be cheaper. The loaded baked potato Pringles. So hold on. Huh?
My mom's hair.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Here, Hannah.
I got one.
Okay, but hold on. Give that one to Daddy. I want you to tell people how you like, if you like that one or not. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you think people?
Yeah.
You think people should eat it? Thank you. She gave Ken.
I didn't throw it.
Here. There. Van. Do you think people should buy that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eat it.
Eat it if you like it.
She already had one.
Okay.
Why'd you splash water on me? Hannah, you stepped on the cup. That's why.
Don't step on these. Jump on them.
Yeah, the styrofoam cup had water in it.
I'm not going to.
You already did it. Hannah, just sit down, please. You're being too much right now. Stop. I will give you some more, but you were supposed to be doing your food review. Do it. Tell people if you like it or not. You like it?
Yeah.
And you think people should buy it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
This is not sponsored.
I like it.
I'm just saying. I like them. I would buy them, but I wouldn't buy them over any other chips. They're just, yeah. Here are my social medias. Why don't you look me up? Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all come back now, you hear? This has been a Marquita R production. Peace out.